Testing muna po tayo. Okay, tayo. Okay. Good evening po mga basketball fans. Kung saan po kayo dyan, mga boss, mga madam. We're here now, live right now sa... No, it's not Pernice, but Newton International School Academy in Bar Village in Doha to make the first game for today between the two following teams. This is the Aviation Friendly dubbed as a Flying League. Ito po yan. This is the Aviation Friendly dubbed as a Flying League. Feature our following sponsors. Trade News and Team LBC, Hari ng Padalay. And of course, are part up by PSBQ, Pinoy Stars Balo Bowlers Qatar, and SBP Pilipinas. For PSBQ to any teams who wanted to join our league, just visit PSBQ page for details. And first game for today between Hub and General Aviation Services. Ayan po yan po, Hub versus General Aviation ang first game. And also after this po, it's CAS versus Extreme Bowlers. Ito po tayo, but this time for now, ito po ang ating first game for today po between Hub and General Aviation Services. Ito po muli po sa Arvin G Vlogs with you. And I'll deliver po sa ating blow by blow account po para sa ligang ito. Yan po. Okay, Will D-Mac and Company along with Perido and of course Nitro will prevail against the company of Mr. Sila and the gas guys or the General Aviation Services po. Dubbed in white and blue and red combination. USA team yan, yung kanilang pares pinagkuhanan. And also dito lang po of course the typical pink and purple combination na po ng Team The Hub. Okay, we'll just wait now for the opening whistle po and magandang gabi po sa po lahat po sa mga ating mga kasama po right now. Ayusin muna natin po ating nakasirengkwang kasi ang ating camera. Ayan, na-compensate na. Mabigat lang talaga siya, pero ayos naman din. Okay, maganda yung talaga. May gumagano pa yata yun robotic arm din yun. Yung gyro, okay to? Yung gyro kasi antay na pag gumagano siya para yung manok na pag ginagano yung ulo gumagano sumusunod sa para di maalog. Okay, we just waiting for opening siya. Yan po sila sa Pabilan, si Sila, si Valencia, sa kabila po si Tadipa, si Guro, and also si Perido, ang kanilang leader, sama rin si Terona. Yan si Terona, bagong tasa. Ngayon, baliktad yun. Pinatay tayo ng AC. Ang galing. Tama lang yan. Dati ang init. Ang lamig masyado. Okay. And si Tabile. First game for today. We're just waiting for the opening whistle to start. And the first match for today between General Aviation Services versus, of course, ang Team The Hub. Okay, ito po yan. Okay, testing po natin ang ating camera system. We're about to start right now. We're just waiting for the opening whistle to start. And also this game is sanctioned by SBB Pilipinas, SPB chapter for keeping the game in a neat and orderly fashion. Okay, nag-aantay po tayo ng opening whistle po between both teams para magsimula na po. Good evening po sa po lahat po. Ako sa Arvin G Vlogs muli po. We're just waiting for the start of the opening whistle between gas and The Hub. Okay, ito na. Sige po, comment lang po kayo dyan ha. Okay, magalala, di po ako naninipa. Okay, we're just about to start na ito kasi final message po ng mga kanilang coaches po sa kanilang both teams. Okay, final message, final call na po. We're just waiting for opening jump. This is your host Arvin G Vlogs Studio, and also we're live also sa the sunny but yet cool Newton International Academy in Bara Village in Doha. And this game is brought by Team LBC, Hari ng Padalay, and of course Thread and Needles, and sama na pa ng PSBQ Basketball League. To join our league, just visit the PSBQ homepage po, FB page po for details. Okay, we're so about to start right now. Okay, mukhang both teams po ngayon. Lalo po yung Gas. Mukhang nagdala po ng maraming rest back ngayon. Madami-dami sila po ngayon. Yan, typical po. Madami-dami po ngayon ng Gas. Yan ang parang notable na po yan. More fresh legs to come. Then sa Cast naman, sa Hub naman po, typical po yan. The 10, 8-man line up. Yung kanilang dub in pink and purple yan. Pero siyang mamumul po yan, siyempre si Perido at si Dimac. Sama na po natin si Mendoza. At yung kanilang rebounder po si Terona. Okay, first quarter start. We're just waiting for opening whistle to start. To call the final first five. First five po tayo. Ayan, si Tabile 23. Si 28, si number 4, number 17, at si number 10. Kabila naman, si Democolangan, number 13, number 2 si Period, number 2, at si number 35, number 5, rather, ng Hub. Okay, we're about to start right now to opening whistle. Game start. Hub number 5 versus number 10 ng Gas. Eto na, jump ball. Okay. And no good. Balik muli po ka po sa Hub. Okay, salamat po Sir Nonong Rivera. Maraming salamat po sir sa pagbati niyo po sa akin. God bless po sa inyo. Yan, Perido. Nakakinito ngayon ng bola, Nitro. Perido for 3. No good. Nitro, side step move, kick, pass kay na number 10. Pasok ang bola. Okay, 2 points of the bank shot by number 10. Hub win, leading now the game. 2 points. Number 10, now number 4, Sila. Barrel shoe, no good. Rebound, barrel 1 by Sila again. Dilabas muna na to 17. Pops up. Kapos. And touch last by Sila. Balik muli po sa the Hub ang bola. Okay, now to number 3 kay Perido. Perido may tangan ng bola ngayon. Perido may tangan ng bola. Now to Democolangan. Thinking 3. Wag muna raw. Sabi niya. Democolangan. Now to number 5. Najib. Barrels through. No good. But there's a foul called by the referee. Who's pal rep? Okay, ito yan. And now Najib now shooting for 2. Najib shooting for 2 po tayo. No, wag muna pala daw. Hindi pala pwede. And Dimac. Perido. Driving. Kick pass. Pero na-tap out po. Lead pass kay number 28. Number 10. Pasok ang bola. 2 points. Number 10. All 2-all po tayo yun. 2-all tayo yun. 2-all. Now Nitro. To Perido. Chance to take again the lead. Perido. Tap from behind. Still completed. Tabile. Nagmamay Tabile. Still by Perido. Counter still by Perido. Number 10 to Najib. Pa-kick pass number 13. Malakas ang loop niya. Balik muli po. Okay, ano muna? Tabile. Sisisi mo na raw. Now, number 10. Seraspe. Tabile. Number 28. Seraspe again has the ball. Power move. Up si Daisy. Foul. Sumabit si Najib called for the foul. Entro muna tayo kay Tabile. For the entro. And to 28. 28 driving. Side step move. Dukot sa ilalim. Wala. Rebound para 1 by 28 again. Gas has the ball again. Gas, second chance point. Foul committed. Number 13 called for the foul for sure. 2 shots awarded para kay Mr. Gozun. 28 po yan. First shot. Handog po ito ng thread and needles. Wala. Second throw, jumpers ready. The time remains 7:16 of the first quarter action. Pops up. No good. And rebound by Najib. Baseball pass to Nitro. Nitro 2 on 3. 3 on 4 situation. Nag-ano muna. Kick pa. Di makulangan. Kapos. Sila naka-rebound. Sila foul committed. Foul committed. Nitro called for the foul. Nice guard by Sila. Sinicure niya talagang bola. Okay, go board. Go Boss Martin Brasya, sabi ni Jemarica. Okay na, Perito, nagmamadali ng bola. Nagmamadali, wag muna na, pick pass, pop sa for 3, no good. Nitro nag-rebound, pero tap from behind. Nice guard by Tabile. Balik pa rin po tayo, ang bola po sa The Hub. Hubball pa rin po tayo, The Hub. Yan po yung The Hub po yan, The Hub. Now, D-Mac thinking 3, wag muna raw. Guro for 3. No good. Rebound para 1 by. Op, si Daisy. Okay, white ball daw po, sabi ng referee. Touch last by D-Mac. Ayan na po si Mr. Tabile. Tabile. Nitro binabantayan. Tabile nakalusot. Tabile for 3. No good. Rebound para 1 by. Nag-gas. Wala pa rin. Up si Daisy. Pushing foul committed kay Guro. Guro called for a foul. At 5 minutes 52 remaining. Handaan niyo po yung second 5 niyo po. Okay. Tabile inbounding. Tabile for the inbound. Dagamit ang tao. Ayan. Kinamit 28. Gozun. Sila, binabantayan. Eraspe. Kay Tabile muna, 2 points Tabile. Selfless pass by si Raspe to Tabile. Pasok ang bola. Good din po si Scott. Kamusta po kayo dyan? At sa mga kasama po natin right now, D-Mac, may tayo ng bola. D-Mac, side step, pops up. Ew, butik na. Sabi ni Maria P. Abreu. Clap. Okay. 5 palakpak. D-Mac for 2. First shot. Pops up. Yes, sir. Makes it. Second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Yan nga. Jumpers ready po. Nasabi po ng ating buting referee. Jumpers ready. Second shot. Jumpers ready. Pops up. No good. Rebound para 1 by. Gas. Si Raspe siguro the rebound. Walang pinasahan. Malakas ang pasa. Walang pinasahan. Balik muli po sa dahabang bola. 5 minutes 16 remaining. D-Mac against Gozun. D-Mac securely now. Tinawid to Nitro for 3. Pops up. No good. Rebound para 1 by D-Mac. D-Mac side step move. Ayun sa ilalim na jeep. 2 points. And ano muna po tayo. Second 5. Calling po yung second 5 po natin. Both teams. Okay, sa kabilaan po, papasok na po siyempre si Tirona, si Mendoza, si Valdez, at si number 13. Kabilaan po, yan si number 19. Number 19, dalawang number 19. 7, 23, at si number 2, si Pabile. Okay, gas ball. Bola po ng gas at 5 minutes 1 remaining. The score is 4-5. Lamang po ng 5 ang team The Hub. Pabile. Falco. Start from behind. Balik po same ball pa rin po tayo, sabi ng referee. 4 minutes 46 remaining. 7, 13 against Mendoza. And Stephens foul committed. Okay. Okay, Mendoza, binabantay si Pabilin. Kumat. Ayun, number 19, Palsis, pops up. 2 points again. Nice one. Nice one. Para si Mama Mamaril ang tira niya. Valdez. D-Mac, nakarating pala siya. Pops up. Huwag muna raw. Still almost completed. Kick pass. Nice kick. And kick nga po talaga. Same ball po tayo. Sabi ng referee. Sinipa palabas ang bola. Sino pa po, palabas ang bola. Again, balik muli po tayo kay Dimac ang bola. To Mendoza. Mendoza, thingy 3. Pops up. No good. Rebound by 1 by Gas. Falco. Pops up. Number 10. No good. Rebound di Pabile. Binabat ni Valdez. Pabilani rather. And now, setting up traffic now. Number 19. Kiniklear niyang traffic to 13. Kickball. Ang basketball, naging football. Okay, reset muli po tayo. At 3 minutes 26 remaining. The score is 6/5. Lamang po ang Team Gas. Okay, mukhang ano yata. May konting ano lang. Si Pabilani nagpapapalit ng gas na shirt. He should wear something light. Something light po sana. Ito yan, no? Okay. Pabilani po, nagpalit po ng ano. He should wear something light kasi. Nice steal. Complete. Pabilani pops up. 2 points. 2 points, Pabilani. Napaganda pala yata ang pagbalit ng ano ni Pabilani. Di mo kailangan. For 3. No good. Tirona. Bumangga. Sa pader. Mendoza. Bank shot is good. Number 19 daw. Called for warning. Insulting yata. Okay. Pabilani, number 2. Pabilani. Kumuha ng pick. Valdez. Binabati si Pabilani. Hounded by Pabilani. Nice. Steal completed. Tirona steal completed. Binasa mo na kay Dimac to Mendoza. Ayan. Pops up. Bang! 2 points. Number 13. Yan si Tadifa. 2 minutes 15 remaining. 8-9 ang score po natin. Falco. Pabilani to Falco. Thinking 3. Drive muna tayo. Turn around. Pops up. No good. Rebound by 1 by number 13. Nakuha ni Taro ng bola. Kick pass kay Tadipa. Going and gone. And timeout call by Team Gas. 1 minute 50 remaining. Ang score po natin si 8-11. Team Gas is trailing behind by 3 points over Team The Hub. Against The Hub. Yung maganda rito, wala ganong AC. Takaran, pambir, tinoding AC. Alam mong amin tayo, pinapalimig tayo. Okay. Okay, minute and 50 remaining of the first quarter action. Team Gas for the inbound. Si Pabilani po yan. Number 2 ngayon na ginagamit yung jersey. Okay. Pabilani. Kung gano'n kick Falco ang bola. Falco, bentangan ng bola naman. Falco, humingi na si number 10. Pwede mo binigyan. Pablo Sen pops up. No good. Nando si Mendoza. Nagmamad Mendoza. Pinasa kay Valdez. Wala. Nakuha ni number 7 ang bola. Kick pass now. Nakuha ni Dimac, counter steal. Again, 2 points kay Tadipa. 2 points nga. 2 points, Tadipa. Oh, meron siyang coach pala eh. Okay, Falco. Number 13, power move against Dimaculangan. 3-second violation called. Balik muli po sa dahabang bola. Dimaculangan for the inbound. To Valdez, may tahan ng bola, Valdez. Dimaculangan sa yung palpal, pero walang tawag. Nakuha Ni Palsis. Driving up. Teka lang po, sabi ng referee. Double dribble. Ang tawag. 30 seconds remaining. Tirona to Mendoza. 26 seconds. Di makulangan. 8-13 na score. D-Mac for 3. Nope. Ayaw niya. Ayun. Mendoza. Palpal ng board. Malalim masyado. Malalim masyado. Op! Foul. That's not foul. It's stepping on the line. 3 seconds remaining. Tirona. No good. And that's it. After 10 seconds of basketball action, lamang po ng 5 ang team The Hub. Negosyo muna po tayo. Mag-plug muna tayo. Okay, this is your aviation friendly Dabas sa Flying League. We're now into 3rd season. Always live here, always at the Newton International School in Doha. You watch and our main sponsors, Trading News and Team LBC, and part by Team SBP Pilipinas and PSBQ Pinoy Stars Bowlers Qatar. And also, you're watching right now The Hub and General Aviation Service. And coming up next is CAS and Extreme Bowlers. Pero dito muna po tayo, The Hub and General Service. Okay, The Hub now for the inbound si Pirido, sa gitado po, sabi ng ating buting referee. Pirido, inbounding. Ayun na, to Pirido. From Valdez. Pirido, pops up. Ayaw niya. Number 10, siguro, for 3. Bang! 3 points nga, ang sinabi ng referee. Guro, 3 points. And touch last by The Hub. Balik po rin po tayo sa gas ang bola. Gas now trailing behind by 7 points already. Tabile for the inbound. Gosun to Tabile. Nitro hounding Tabile. Seraspet to Tabile again. Gozun. Nagaan mga pasahan. And 3-second violation called. 3-second violation called. Again, now The Hub still leading the charge. Nitro for 3. Palpal! Ligosun. Nati may house. Sabi ni Gosun, di daw po pwede yan. Nati may house. And now to Mr. Perido. What a pass kay Najib, pero masyadong malalim siya. Si Raspe leading the charge. Si Raspe, Tabile. 2 points, Tabile. Okay, Tabile, 2 points already. Now again, setting up the pace now is Perido. 10-16 ang score. Nitro, pops up. No good. Tirona, good ball sana, pero di inabutan yung bola. White ball, sabi na it's white ball. White ball now, Tabile. Again to Tabile from number 17. Tabile leading the charge. 10-16 na score. Gozun. Nagamba to Tabile muna, Tabile. Gozun again. Gozun driving strong. Lost the ball. Still completed. Teka lang. Ano sabi referee? Still completed nga. Okay, Hub ball. Bola pa ng The Hub. Nice steal by Tabile. Tabile sa ilalim. Labas muna. Ayun. Teka, Tabile muli. Tabile. 3-on-3. Fadeaway shot. No good. Wimabara by Najib. Najib nakaribang kagad. Now to Perido. Perido, staying strong. Nitro, malakas ang pasa. Almost lost the letter. To Nitro again. No good. Rebound battle won by number 17. Okay, injury time po ang Team Gas. Mukhang nasundot yata yung mata. Na-poke nga. Ice poke. Pero okay, balik ulit tayo sa laro po natin yon. Number 17. Tabile, 23. 10-6 na score po natin. 7 minutes, 12 remaining. Tabile. Nice one! Pero nakuha ni Guro ang bola. Nice divide the hub. Ay nato, Perido. Perido leading the charge. Perido again, Perido. Scanning and 3 points. No good. Rebound battle won by Tabile. Tabile driving. 3 on 1, 4 on 1. No good. Tabile, floater shot. Pasok ang bola. 12-16. Sa kabila naman, Najib. Strong move. Yes, sir. Nakabawi si Najib. Nitro against Tabile. Nitro pounding Tabile. Tabile, foul committed. Pushing foul. Sabi maybe is pushing foul. It's giving the push. Stepping on the line. Sayang. Stepping on the line. Okay, now eto muli po tayo. Balik po sa Dahab ang bola. 6 points po ang kalamangan mo ng Dahab. And Tirona. Tirona to Perido again. Perido. Now to Guro. Nakalusot. Pops up. Gumamit ng glass. Hindi umabot, hindi umubra. Again, na balik muli po tayo. 5 minutes 40 remaining. Najib. Nice excellent guard. Gozun. No good. One more time. Gozun again. Pops up. Yes, sir. Second chance po si Gozun pumasok. And now kay Perido. 4 points na lang po kalamangan. 14-18. Perido yung for 3. No good. One more time. Perido. Perido. Pops up. Set shot. Pasok ang bola. Nice shot by Perido. Again, back to 6 minutes po tayo lamang po natin ng Team Dahab. 15-20. Gozun for 3. Pops up. Kapos. And balik po nito sa habang bola. Okay, change 5 po tayo. Change 5 again. Sa kabila naman si Dimac. 13-0. Number si Mendoza. Sino mareretain? Si Perido mareretain sa kabila. Sa kabila naman po is of course fresh legs po yan. Si Falco. Si Pabilani. Si number 23, number 13, number 7, at si number 17. Sa Gas naman yan. 5 minutes again remaining. 14-20 ang score. Perido. Tutanip pa. Perido. Tutanip again. Per 3. Wag muna. Nawala ang bola. Nako ni Pabilani ang bola. Pabilani. Pabilani. Falco. Number 7. Ramos yan. Naku ni Perido ang bola. Perido leading the charge. Mendoza. Kay Beldes. Trouble. Tanipa. No good. Nice ball control ni Falco. Falco to Ramos. Pabilani for 3. No good. Rebound battle won by you. Napunta. Mali. Tap ni Perido. Napunta kay number 17 ng bola. Kaya 16-20 ang score po ngayon. 2 points number 17 ng Gas. Perido. Hindi makulangan. Dimac. For 3. No good. Ayun sa ilalim. Malakas. Malalim. 17 ang rebound. Now to Falco. Falco. Falco driving, lost the ball. Still held ball situation. And it's the Hub. Ball awarded sa Hub. Nope, it's Gas ball. Ball po ng Gas. 13, intercepted. And to Valdez. Mendoza. Mendoza, 2 points. 2 points, Mendoza. Pabilani. Ramos. Falses. Strong move. Nice pass. 17. Pabilani. Foul committed. Sabi na ating buting referee. Who's foul rep? Okay, that's inbound po, entro pa, wala pang penalty situation ang ating mga bata ngayon. 3 minutes remaining. Ano nangyari? Wala daw. Okay, eto na. Oy! Backing violation. Backing violation called number 13. Tadifa, Tupirido. To Tadifa again. Tadifa, Dimac. Power move ba hini? Power move na! Malakas! Pero may sumabit. And Dimac now shooting for 2. Dimac on the line, shooting for 2 po tayo. Dimac first shot. 16-22 ang score. At 2 minutes 40 seconds remaining of the second quarter action. No good. Second throw, jumpers ready. Second free throw ni Dimac. Jumpers ready po tayo. Dimac, second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. No good. And touch last by the hub. Okay, timeout muna po ang The Hub. I need to get some air. The time remaining for the second quarter action is 2 minutes and 39 seconds remaining. And this is your host with you, Arvin G Vlogs, and you're live here sa aking channel, Martin Everisto FB page. And of course, this is your third season Aviation Panay Daba sa Flying League. And live always po tayo sa Newton International School in Barrow Village in Doha. Okay, balik po tayo yun. The Hub guarding again against General Aviation Services. Now to number 7, Ramos. 17, almost lost the ball. Nakuha ni Pabilani ng bola. Nice D-guard by Mendoza. Naku, kapos. Nice, again, it's a foul committed. Offensive yard. Blocking foul committed ni Falses. Perido inbounding. Now to Valdez. To Perido again. Against guarded by Pabilani. Valdez. No, Pabilani. Ayun. Tadifa, 2 points again. Wingman is in. Wingman, pasok. Sa side sila tumitira. Falses. Again. Hub-ball. Bola pa ng hub. Last touch si Falses. Nice guard di Valdez. Perido for the inbound. Again, now Dimac versus Pabinato. Perido again. Perido driving, side step, pops up. Traveling violation called by the referee. 1 minute 42 remaining at 16:24 remaining. Pabilani, Valdez. Binaban si Pabilani. Nawala ang bola to Mendoza. Mendoza having hard time. Held ball situation. Oy. Isa lang. Chill lang po tayo mga boss. Chill lang po tayo mga boss. Chill lang tayo. Tanda, magkakabaro kayo. Nice one. Ano lang? Ano lang po tayo, ano lang. Fair play lang tayo. Mong ano, magkakano po yan. Okay, Daywin ano. Okay, ano muna, both teams po please. Both teams please. Both teams po, sa bench muna po tayo. Kumari po. Both teams for the bench muna po. For the bench please. Thank you po, thank you. Both teams sa bench po. Maraming salamat po. Okay, the referee is deciding now what they're gonna do now with that call. We're just waiting for the call. Thank you, maraming salamat po. Okay, si Kapitan po nag-ano bang magde-decide po along with the referees po. Officiating the game. Okay, that's it now. It will be now decided. What is the verdict, Mr. Referee? Technical foul. Okay, po na ano po. Pirido for the technical free throw. Okay, sabi pa lang, okay. Okay, ans po kay 13 plus technical free throw kay Perido. Okay. 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 Ans po dalawang tira. Dapat yon, pero si Perido technical pa naman kay Mendoza. Pero si dalawang tira po, isa na lang po papatalayan ko kay Perido. Yan ang ano po verdict niyan. Okay, yan pong nangyari po ngayon. Okay. Mendoza for the technical free throw, number 57. Pops up. It's in. O, isa pa. Hans Popal pala kay number 13 sa gas. Second shot, pasok din. Okay, last call jump ball, red po. Crucial kasi. D-Mac, Perido. Okay, Cesar Huruque. Okay, shoutout Lodi, second game po. Sabi ni Mr. Eyas sa Cesalado. No good. Oh, pre-Bambara, one bag. General evasion, si Falsis. Nice one, bali po pinasahan. D-Mac na to Valdez. Perido, pops up, set shot, pasok ang bola. 1 minute remaining. Still completed. Again, one more time. Pinasa palpal. Sumabit ang bola. Sumabit ang tao. Okay, 52 seconds remaining. Mendoza shooting for 2. And timeout called by Team Gas. Okay, nangyari pala kanina is double technical pa pala committed kay Mendoza at kay number 13. Kansilado po yan, pero may tawag po na unstoppable po kay number 13. Kaya si Mendoza ay pinagbigyan, tumira po ng 2 points. Okay? Kaya yan po yan. Pero, okay, 2 shots pa rin kay Mendoza. 57. Iyasa si Serrado Hurogue. Sa next game, shoutout po. Next game po. Maraming sana po. Mendoza again, second throw. Mendoza, second throw. 50 seconds remaining. 16:29. Pops up. No good. D-Mac. Power move. No good pa rin. Parang Benji para sumasama. Tower of power. Varsity ba yun niya, ano? Nung ano pa? Sa Pilipinas? Saan? Sa banda? Saan? Ha? D-Mac. First shot to D-Mac. Pops up. No good. Second throw ni D-Mac. Second throw ni D-Mac. Pops up. Second throw ni D-Mac. Pops up. It's wala. And Mendoza pops up again. Again, it's a foul committed. Tough break for Team Gas. Marami second chance points. Marami second chance points po ang nagagawa po ng Team Hub. Mendoza again, first shot. Pops up. No good. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. And wala. Rebound para one by, of course, Gas. Pabilani, 13. Ayun, escape. Nawala mag-isa. And a foul committed by Valdez. 17, almost had it, pero kumapos lang. Pero he'll earn on the line, of course. Nope. Second, 2 free throws. Penalty situation, 17. Shooting for 2. First shot, 17. Pops up. Kapos. Second throw. Jumpers ready. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Wala pareho. And one more time, early entry. One more time, early entry po tayo. Pops up. Pasok. Okay, that's it. 17-29. 12 points din po kalamangan po ng The Hub. Perido, hounded na by 2 persons already. D-Mac, thinking 3, wag mo na raw. D-Mac, power move. Op, offensive foul. Called on D-Mac. Sinuwag ang kalaban. D-Mac, offensive foul. Number 7 for the inbound. Number 7, Pabilani. Number 7 again. Tinatawid ang bola. Okay, 17. Pops up. No good. Pabilani, wala pa rin. Rebound ni D-Mac. Nakuha. Counter steal. Nakuha ni Falsis. And it's good. And tapos na po ating first quarter. Nice exchange po doon. Heated exchange po. And after 2 quarters po tayo, the score is 17-29. Hub is enjoying a 12-point lead coming to the third quarter action. Okay, alam muna po tayo. You're watching right now the teams between the Hub and General Event Service for the first game. And coming up next sport, of course, is CAS versus Extreme Bowlers. Okay, this is your third season, Aviation Fanatic, double sa Flying League. Live po tayo all sports sa ating venue always, sa Newton International School in Qatar. And of course, our main sponsors, Fred Needles and Team LBC, hari ng padala. And powered up by Team SBP Pilipinas, so keeping the game in a neat and orderly fashion, and PSBQ Basketball League. To sign up for our league po, kung gusto mong sumali po sa aming liga po, just visit the FB page po ng PSBQ for details. Maraming salamat po, and coming up next po, still you're watching right now the Hub and General Aviation Services. Okay, within 1 minute 17, we'll start the second half for second half. Medyo malalim po ngayon ang team Gas. We'll see in the last two quarters kung the fatigue factor will settle again para sa team The Hub or kaya ng or they will prevail po. There is more fresh legs po parati po ang team Gas. Okay, yan po. Okay, matter of 26 minutes, 26 seconds. After 20 seconds, we'll start the second half of the ball game. Okay, second quarter. Hey, second half. Start. Second half, start po tayo. 17-20 na score po natin. White ball. Sabi ng referee, white ball. Change quarter po tayo. White ball po tayo. White ball. White ball po tayo. This time si Genovea inbounding. Yan si number 5. 23 stabili pa rin yan. Si Sila bumalik na rin. Si 2017 at si number 10. Kapag si Habsab naman yan, si Mendoza, si Pirido, di mo kailangan, si Najib, at si Terona pala. Nagtatago kasi. Kickball, balik pa rin po tayo sa Team Gas ang bola. Kung if you're wondering po, Gas is the other half po ng CAS. Naghati po, sobrang dami kasi ng family nila, naghati sila. Kaya nagkaroon po ng Gas. Nice D by D-Mac. Traveling violation called. Sabi ng referee. Balik muli po sa habang bola. I think they will now go now for some semi-court press. Nag-press po ang kalaban. Okay, still completed. Number 10, si Raspe. Nag-aantay ng mga kasama. Tabile. Tabile may tayo ng bola. To number 5, pops up. Genovea, no good. Rebound, D. Terona. To D-Mac again. Okay, again. Press again. Semi-press. Been done now by Gas. Perido. Nawalan ng babasan. To Terona. Terona, binabantayan. Perido, set shot. Pasok ang bola. 2 points. Perido versus Tabile. Si Raspe, power move, Magmundanao. Tabi ito si Raspe again. Si Raspe, si Sila humingi ng bola. Nandun, again to Genovea. Si Raspe. Tabile for 3, no good. Rebound battle won by Najib. Malakas ang pasa. And balik muli po, white ball muli po ang bola. Napalakas ang pasa nun. Balik muli po sa white ang bola. White ball. Tabile. Inbounding. Tabile. Sila. Bigay muli kay Tabile. Nagbibigyan ng pick. Serasa for 3. No good. Rebound battle 1 by 17. Malalim. Sila. Wala pa rin. D-Mac naka-rebound. D-Mac. Okay, D-Mac daw. D-Mac. Ano muna, easy lang tayo kay Terona, pero nandun si Raspe, mahaba talagang galimin ng bata, kaya yun, nasundot palabas ang bola. And now, again, Pirido now for the inbound against si Raspe, handled by si Raspe. Mendoza, power move, wala. To Tabile again, To number 10, walang hindi na pasahan. Hindi na yung communication nila. Kaya balik muli po sa dahab ang bola. Balik mo tayo sa dahab ng bola. Shoutout po. Lodi score, Sir Ayasa. The score is 17-31. Laman po ng malaki po ang dahab. 17-31 po, out of bounds. That's 14-point lead po. Been posted by the hub. Seraspe. Driving. Double team. Genovia pops up. No good. Rebound ni D-Mac. Hounded by two white boys. Pero kay Pirido, 2 points. Baseball pitch now. Out of bounds. Timeout called by sub lang pala, sub. Substitution only. Substitution. Gomez in, Tabile out. Sa gas. Kabila naman, siyempre, pumasok mo si Najib para kay Mr. Valdez. Najib, triple teamed. D-Mac, thinking 3, wag muna raw, nakalusot. May sumundot. At sa puti ang bola. Substitution now, number 91 in. Sino lalabas? Si Mr. C, lalabas muna. Okay, 19. Gomez. Seraspe. Driving. Lost the ball. Tirona, nakakindang. Tirona to D-Mac. Whoop! 17. Sumabit kay D-Mac. Okay, di mo kailangan shooting for 2. The score is 17-33 at 5 minutes 35 remaining of the third quarter action. Kapos, second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Jumpers ready po tayo. Di mo kailangan, jumpers ready, pops up. No good. Rebound battle won by Gas. Nice hustle by number 91. Okay, si Tadipa pasok muna rin. Pati si Nitro para kay Mendoza at kay Najib. Okay, now ito na. Gomez, binabantayan, hounded. Nako ni Pirido ang bola. Pirido. Back behind, 2 points. Behind the back pass, 2 points. And now, malakas ang pasa ni Mr. Pabilani. Bola. Okay, timeout now called by Team Gas. The score is 17-35. At 5 minutes 7 seconds remaining of the third quarter action. First game pa lang po ito. And coming up next po, mga dandan po tayo, Extreme Bowlers and Team CAS naman, or Qatar Aviation Services. Ika po yung The Golden Boys. The Golden Boys yan. Versus the Blue Boys naman ng Extreme Bowlers. Okay, hub now inbounding again at 5 minutes 7 seconds remaining. D-Mac. Pirido, may tanga ng bola. Tadifa. Pirido again. Valdez. Nitro, no good. Rebound battle won by number 91. Number 91. Kung alam po na, pag number 91, roadman yan. Gomez. Naiwan mag-isa si Raspe. Si Raspe, 2 points. Easy o basket by si Raspe, 1935. A 16-point lead still posted by Team The Hub. Okay, ito na, Perido. Shake and pick move. Di umubra. D-Mac against Gomez. D-Mac sa ilalim. Hacking foul. Hack by number 19. Number 19 called for the foul. D-Mac. D-Mac. Yung ano to, USB, no? Yung Type-C. Charge siya. Type-C lang ako. Total. No good. Pero pag yung ano, malinaw siya, no? Pag dinownload sa laptop. Ano nga lang. Ganda hardware niya. Ha?
May dala ko kayong laptop.
Wala. Pero ayusin ko. Ayusin ko, malinaw. Ganyan kalit yan, malinaw yan. Almost had it. Again, stolen. Perido again, Perido. Perino, wag muna raw. Sabi, antay muna to tayo. Then D-Mac. D-Mac driving strong. Bang! Palpal! Palabas si number 91. Nice D by number 91. Roadman yan. Okay, 91. D-Mac. To Perido again. Perido. Perido. Setting up the people. Pops up for 3. No good. Nitro save and not enough. Balik muli po sa gas ang bola at 3 minutes 35 remaining. 3 minutes 35 remaining. And now, Pabilani. Gomez, pinasa kay Ann. May malakas ang pasa. Balik muli po sa habang bola. Malakas ang pasa, napalakas na lang pasa. Perido, may tangan ng bola muli. Perido at 3 minutes 5 remaining. Perido lost the ball. Pabilani, 2 points. Easy na yan, hindi na pwede ano yan. Walang pinasa, nakuha po ni Pabilani ang bola. Back to back steal ni Pabilani. Number 91, pinasa kay foul! Sumabit si Torona. Si Raspe, number 10, shooting for 2. Okay, ano muna, palit muna po. Okay, Valdez in, Guro in, Falsis in, and Tabile in. Quality minutes po kay number 91 tsaka kay number 19 ng gas. Si Raspe, no good. First shot, second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Second throw, jumpers ready. Second free throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Number 10, si Raspe. Pops up. Okay, it's in. It's good. Nitro hounded now. Steal by Gomez. 2 points, Gomez. Okay, again. Nagtap-trap na po sila ngayon. Again, steal again by Pabilani. Pero may foul kay Valdez. Nagtatrap na eto na yung sinasabi nga. Medyo fatigue factor na pumapasok muli sa hub dahil konti pang bench nila. Kumpara mo sa timeout called na by the hub. Yan po yung sinasabi po natin, medyo malalim-lalim po ang bench po ng gas. Kaya kaya nila po mag-trap anytime if they want to. They have fresh legs also. Sa kabila naman po, is the hub na medyo depleted po ang kanilang bench. 8 lang sila. Pero tignan po natin. Tignan po natin kung ano magagawa po ng both teams po sa torneyong ito, sa larong ito. So after this po is gas naman against, of course, Extreme Bowlers. The Blue Boys versus the Golden Boys. Okay, now Pabilani. To Tabile. 2 minutes 28 remaining. 24-36. 12 na lang kalamangan muli. And nice cut sana by Pabilani. No good. Wrap. Nope. And it's Gomez. Gomez! 2 points, Gomez. Again, trap muli sila. It's a trap. Najib. Ayan, nakalusot. Nakuha, Tirona. Almost lost the ball. Who's ball rep? Hub ball. Bola daw pa rin the hub. Hub a ball. Hub. 7-second shot clock. 7 seconds to shoot. D-Mac for 3. Wag muna raw. D-Mac. Walang pinasa. Najib. Out of bounds. Okay, now Gomez. A minute 47 remaining. Lamang ng 10. Seraspe. Ayaw muna daw niya. Gomez. Power move. Foul. Take 2. Take 2 kay Mr. Gomez. Take 2 po yan para kay Gomez. Take 2. Take 2 nga. 2 shots, 2 shots. Take 2 nga, sabi na, take 2. Shooting foul, shooting foul. Gomez, first shot, shooting foul kasi yan. Ako shooting. Gomez, first shot, pops up. No good. A minute and 30 remaining. Second throw, jumpers ready. Pops up. No! No kawala. 1 point only. Nakapasok. Pabilani. Again to Najib. Napasa kay Najib ang bola. Turn around. Fade away shot. Wala. Tabile. Lead pass kay Gomez. Hindi na control ang bola. Balik muli po sa dahabang bola. Balik muli po sa dahabang bola. Dahab. D-Mac. D-Mac. Shake and fake. Nakalusot. Again, D-Mac. 58 seconds remaining. D-Mac. Foul. Ouch. Falsis called for a foul. 53 seconds remaining. D-Mac. Thinking 3. Ayaw niya muna. Dukot sa ilalim. Kapos. D-Mac muli. Pinasa. D-Mac. Nice one by Tadipa. Tadipa. The wingman ng nagdahab. Gumagana. Sa Seraspe. Almost had the ball. Almost lost the ball. Foul. Ay, 2 shots. Teka lang. Okay, 13 in. Gomez out muna. Seraspe for the inbound. Seraspe inbound po. Inbound si Seraspe. Tirona called for technical. Tirona called for the technical for extending the feet. Technical foul kay Tirona for extending the feet. Okay, Seraspe pops up. No good still. 30 seconds remaining. Okay, now balik muli po tayo. Number 13 for the inbound. Okay, 13. Ayan na, si Mr. Tabile. Tabile again. Falses. Falses, power move, malalim. Rebound para 1 by D-Mac. D-Mac. Perido. Nakalusot si Perido. Perido. 2 points Perido. 6 seconds remaining. 4 seconds. 1 second. No more. That's it. After 3 quarters, the Hub still leads by 13 points, 27-40. Okay, trabaho muna tayo. You're watching right now the Hub and Gas po. And up next po is our second game for today is Cas versus Extreme Ballers. This game is sponsored by Team SBB Pilipinas and PSBQ Qatar. And of course, our main sponsors, LBC, Hari ng Padala, and Thread the Needles Tailoring or Uniforms. And you're watching it at the third season of Aviation Friendly League, the Basta Flying League. Balik po tayo. You're watching right now. And come up next for the second game. Armando Rivero is watching. Armando, wala ka yata rito ngayon. Nasaan ka ba? Yan na. Okay, we're just waiting for the whistle for the final quarter. Ping-pong lit. Okay, final quarter, start! Dito yung fatigue factor, nagsisettle in po both teams, pero mas malalim po ang gas, kaya pwede sila mag full court press kung gusto nila. Sa kabilang is Hub po, medyo konti sila. Siyam lang po sila, kaya medyo mas maraming fresh legs po ang gas po. Valdez, nako ng pick. 13, 9 minutes 50 remaining. Gozun pops up and one play made. Nice shot by Gozun. Nice shot by Gozun. Gozun shooting for the bonus free throw. Pops up. No good. Okay, chance now si Raspe. Wala pa rin. Rebound ni D-Mac. Foul. 29-40. 11 point lead still being enjoyed by Team The Hub. D-Mac. Binapatan si Perido. Mendoza. Full court press being initiated again by Team Gas. D-Mac driving strong. Ah! 10 seconds to shoot. D-Mac driving strong again, pops up. No good. 9 minutes 11 remaining. Again. Tabile. Valdez, hinahounding. Tabile. Tap. Nakalusot. And it's a foul called. Pato Perido. Okay, number 13 for the inbound ng Gas. That's Kuya. Kuya na to Tabile. Tabile driving in. Malakas ang pasa pero nabawi. Pasok ang bola kay Raspe. Okay, 9 na lang po ang kalamangan. 31-40. Siyam na lang po ang kalamangan ng The Hub. Nitro. Valdez. Sidestep. Kay Terona. Power move. Dilabas muna. Pero nakuha ni Tabile ang bola. Again. Gozun! White ball. Purple ball. The hub. Ito na tayo. Perido driving. Mendoza sa ilalim, malakas. Si Raspe, Tabile again, against Valdez. Binabantayan. Okay, ano muna kay Kuya? To Tabile again. Tabile, binabantayan. Hop! Foul. Blocking foul on Valdez. 7 minutes 59 remaining of the fourth and final quarter. Kuya. Driving. 17. Nakuha ni Mendoza. Nakuha ni Nakuha ni Perido ang bola. Perido driving. Nando kay Valdez. Kapos. Gozun mita ng bola. Gas. Power move. 17. Kapos. Foul. 2 shots awarded kay 17. That's Brasya. Okay, quality minutes kay Kuya. Pasok muna si Falsis. Valdez labas muna para kay Nitro. Nitro? Kala ko Nitro. Okay. Brasya, pasok. Bank shot made. Second throw, jumpers ready. 7 minutes, 30 seconds remaining. 7.5 na po kalamangan na lang ang nalalabi sa game na ito. Brasya again, second shot, no good. Rebound battle ni Tirona. Binabantayan. Nako, muntik na. And almost had the ball kay Siraspe. Dimac. Tirona to Dimac again. Dimac nagdadala ng bola. Dimac. 7 minutes 10 remaining. 30-40 lamang ng 8 ang Team Hub. Dimac nakalusot. Power move. Pasa pala kay Tirona. Foul. Okay, Tirona now for sure will go to the line. Shooting for 2. Pabilani, pasok muna para kay Tabile. Tirona shooting for 2. First shot. Pasok. Second throw, jumpers ready. Nakapikit pa yan. Second throw, jumpers ready. Pops up. No good. Rebound din naman 17. Pero tap from behind. Okay, time out muna po for both. Nag-time out po ang The Hub. Okay, watching right now still the fourth final quarter po itong larong ito, The Hub and Gen Aviation Services. And of course, come up next po is CAS and Extreme Bowlers. Okay, dito muna po tayo. Okay, back to the ball game. Tap from behind. Kaya po napunta muli po sa habang bola. Dimac kay Perido now. Mendoza for 2. Bang! Falsis against Perido. Foul! Wala pa. Gozun for the inbound. Gozun inbounding. Okay, number 7. Pulses. Pulses Espirido. Power move. Fadeaway shot. No good. Tirona. Tirona. Foul. Pabilani. Pabilani called for the foul. Inbounding. Tirona. Mendoza nagmamadali. Mendoza tinawid ang bola. Perido muna. Perido, may handle sa ball. Perido. Binabantayan. Nako ng pick. D-Mac naman. D-Mac. Alley play. Malakas ang pasa. Okay. Number 7 is good. Quality minutes kay number 7. Tabili na. Balik na rin po sa larong ito. At 5 minutes 49 remaining. Tabile binabantayan. Pabilani. Falses to Gozun. Gozun power turnaround shot. No good. Rebound. Ni Mendoza. Mendoza nagmamadali. And now Tirona. Ayun, pumasok ang bola. Yung signature size na Tirona gumana na rin. Nandun, 17. Backing violation. Tough break, tough call. Perido, inbounding again. 5 minutes 18 remaining. 30-45 ang score. 30-45. Mendoza. Tirona. Perido. Rebound. Nice guard. And Gozun going. No good. Tuloy yung bola. Tirona. Again, second chance points. Falses. Wala pa rin. Pabilani. Secure the ball. For 3. No, it's Falses. No good. Okay, Nitro, labas muna para kay Tabile. Tadifa rather. Falses first shot. Pops up. No good. Second throw, jumpers ready. Second free throw, jumpers ready. Pops up. No good. Rebound. Number 10. Wala pa rin. And nice hustle by Tirona. D-Mac. Pinasa kay Tadifa. Tinuwid ang bola. Mendoza. Tadifa nakalusot. Nakuha ni Tabile ang bola. Tabile nagmamadali. Tabile double team. Tabile lost the ball. Nakuha yung kay Cesar Raspe. Nakuha ni Perido ang bola. Still completed again. Perido. Foul. Perido shooting. Perido for the inbound. Mendoza ba? Okay, pinasa kay Mendoza. Tadifa. Tirona, power move. Wag muna raw. Binabantayan. Tirona, nakalusot. Tirona, lost the ball. Still completed. Gozun to Tabile. Gozun. Nice deflection by Mendoza. Nice D. Tabile, Falses, kapos. Rebound battle, won by D-Mac, binabantayan. 8 seconds yan. Okay, tinawid na. And Mendoza, 2 points. 57, 2 points. 3 minutes, 19 remaining. Pabilani, binabantayan. Falses, nakalusot. Tabile sa ilalim. 2 points. 3 minutes, 3 remaining. 34-47. D-Mac. Mendoza rather. Tirona sa ilalim. Tirona kiniliwa, hindi. Okay, yan. Gozun again. Gozun. Tabile sa ilalim. Tabile. 2 points. Ay, hindi. One more time. Tabile. 2 points nga. Okay, now they will now full court press. Nandun. Tadifa. Wala. Rebound battle. One with Tadifa again. 2 points, Tadifa. And it's a timeout called. Timeout Team Gas. 2 minutes 25 remaining. A 13-point lead still being enjoyed by the Hub. Okay, yan po tayo. Standby lang tayo, mga boss. Okay, white ball. White ball. Ayan na. Tabile for 3. No good. Again, one more time. Sa ilalim, dukot, wala. 2 minutes 10 remaining. Uy, good ball. Foul. Balikan. Okay, Tabile shooting for 2. Last 2 minutes. Tabile for 2. 36-49. Pops up. No good. Second throw, jumpers ready. Tabile, second throw, jumpers ready. Pops up. No good. Rebound battle 1. Okay, the Hub inbounding. Full court press again will be applied by the Gas. Gas for a full court press. Nitro. Doy, traveling violation. Traveling violation. A minute 47 remaining. A minute and 47 remaining. Tabile. Sir, ang score po natin 36-49. Laman pa rin po ang Hub. Lost the ball. Pero same ball. Same ball po tayo, same ball. Sa ilalim, malakas. One more time. A minute and 29 remaining. Okay, now foul si Najib. Number 13 si Kuya shooting for 2. First shot made, it's good. Second throw, jumpers ready. A minute and 49 remaining. A minute and 49 remaining. Kuya, second throw. Wala. Rebound para si Kuya muli. Kuya. Kuya sa ilalim. Traveling violation called. Now, they will now apply for fourth court press muli po to. Nitro. Nitro, side step move. Shake and pick. Nitro. Najib. Kapos. Malayo, malakas. Balik muli po sa habang bola. A minute and 10 remaining. Nitro. Nitro, nakalusot. Nitro, pops up. Wala. Again. Tabile na iwan mag-isa. Tabile, 2 points again. 38-49. 39-49, 10. Tadifa, binabantayan. Tadifa nakalusot. Okay, now chance again. For 3. Mali. 47 seconds remaining. 39-49 score. Foul! Perido for the inbound. Wala pa kasing penalty ang Gas. Nitro again. 42 seconds, 41 seconds. Guro for 3. Offline. 39-49, 30 seconds remaining. Tabile. Malakas. Pop. Okay, no good. Rebound battle won by foul. Kita ni referee yun, tinulak. 25 seconds remaining. It's yours 39-49. Penalty situation, Team Gas. Match called for the penalty. Najib shooting for 2. No good. Second throw, jumpers ready. Najib, second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up, hits in. 25 seconds remaining. Twenty seconds. 2 points. Number 19. Foul. Sir. Number 19 called. Foul says called for the foul. Perido on the line again. Foul says 5 fouls graduate. Perido. Pops up. No good. Second throw. Jumpers ready. 15 seconds remaining. Perido. Pasok. Okay, ito na. 19 for 3. Bang! 44-51. 7 seconds remaining. Nitro. Okay, that's it. Nitro, 3 points also. That's it. Congratulations for winning the game. Final score 44-54. Team The Hub. Mami na lang pag ano. Main na rin. Mami na lang. Sige. Tara. Family picture. Okay, Team The Hub escaping 44-54 ang score po nila. Team photo. Okay, 44-54. Team photo, please. Team photo muna, team photo. Dimak. Team photo. Team photo, tara na. Okay, 44-54 final score. Oh, walang pin. Pipicture pa sila. Compression. Wala ang picture. Okay, 44-54 po. Team The Hub. Konti lang. Pakibalance yung nga, sir. Marami kayo dito eh. Yan. Thank you po. Tiro. Compression pa. Hindi man eh. Okay, yan. Thank you po. Okay. Yan. 44-54 final score po yan. Nitro, pumasok ko naman. Thank you po. Walang official photo. Pakita nga, may official photo yun. Official photo, wala sir? Official photo. Picture. Para kay PSR Philip. Tapos na ako. Video to kasi. Ayan, ito. Okay, thank you po. Sige po.
Teka lang ha. 1, 2, and...
Yan.
Okay.
Okay, interview. Best player, sino may best player? Mendoza. 57, Mendoza, best player.
1, 2...
Okay. Oh, Mendoza, dito ka muna, interview ka. Dito ka. Oh, Sir Mendoza, sir. Congratulations for being the best POG of the game. Di ba para kayo nag-alala, medyo malalim-lalim yung bets na kalaban nyo kanina?
Kasi kanina, naisip namin, so kita namin marami, so kailangan namin mag-adjust.
Yun nga, talaga eh.
More on the...
Kaya nakita ko sinashuffle yung disiplinado, di ba kayo kayo nagkakano kayo?
Hindi kami nag-pull out ng play.
Okay.
Inano namin, binalansin namin sino yung papasok. So napakahalaga kasi yung papalansin.
Okay.
Kasi most of the game, ganun yung nangyari. So nagkakaroon ng miscommunication.
Oh, ngayon, pansin nga tayo. Kaya medyo madikit sila. Dumidikit eh. Okay.
Nung nag-adjust ulit kami, medyo nag-press kami. So balik bagay yung press namin.
Pero end game nila yung sir, malapit na kasi matapos yung elimination ni Jack. Kaya paano plano nyo sir? Paano nyo maano pa yung last game nyo? Paano nyo ano yun talaga?
Kailangan pa namin ng practice pa rin, malaki yung practice.
Okay.
Yun, usap kami.
Dahil fact talaga siyempre magtawag kayo ng nakape nyo. Kasi 10 lang kasi kayo, 10 na kayo siya ulit.
Lagi kaming kulang.
O, sige po, sige. Okay, 1 minute, shoutout po sir. 1 minute, shoutout. Sige po.
Shoutout sa mga katrabaho ko and...
Lakas bro, lakas kapatid. Sige.
Shoutout sa mga katrabaho ko and...
Yan.
Yan, sa misis ko, yan.
Pages mo. Ano pa? Nagpaalam ka pa?
Hindi.
Nakalib ka pa?
Off ako.
Buti naman. Kala ko nakalib ka eh. O sige, pamuli po. Yan po. Kung nag-winning kayo po. Finals ko is 9-44-54. Team The Hub. 3, 2, 1. Thank you po.